right, everybody. Annabelle says hello. And Blue is in here hanging out with Daisy. But what I wanted to tell you about is outside, well, kind of outside and inside. It's both places. We got the last solar panel up today. So now we officially have 1 kilowatt of solar energy coming in. Ta-da. So all the panels on the right are 12 volt panels. 2 here in series and 2 here in series. They come parallel to the box. And then this one is a 24 volt panel, and they come to the box. And it comes in. Right now we're reading 43. It's difficult to see. We're reading 43 volts of everything, every bit of DC current coming in. And it's really cool because I put the last 2 batteries in the battery bank back here. And so far today, we've been on since 11, and right now it's 3:30 p.m. And right now the system is still on float, which means fully charged. You see that little light flashing, and down here you can see it's on float. Well, if I can get it to focus, hang on. Hold on, it might focus. Hang on. Anyways, it's floating, and everything is fully charged, so it's pretty darn cool. Batteries are at 100%. We have, I think we had right around 18 or 19 amp hours worth of power. Oh, see, there we go. See, now we have 22 amp hours that we can use up, but of course we were not going to use it. But the system is still on float. The refrigerator just turned off. Get back down here to the main menu. The refrigerator just turned off, and we've been running on solar since 11. So I think it's really cool. It seems to be working just fine. Everything's good. Yeah, turn the light on here. That solar energy right there. Yep, solar's still on. So pretty darn cool stuff, guys. I'm really happy with it. The system's worked out really good as a 24 volt system. You see 40 watts right there, and that's because the security system over here, the security system, and a couple of little like alarm clocks are still running on the solar. But all 8 cameras in the security system are running on solar, and the stove is. And that's about it in the refrigerator. So, but we can still run whatever lights we want, which is really cool because, of course, I try not to use a battery unless I absolutely have to, but it's working out pretty good, and I'm happy the system isn't showing that it needs to charge. I mean, that's fully charged, and we've been running it all day, nearly. But anyways, it's almost 4 o'clock, and we're getting past what's called solar maximum. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's pretty cool. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and switch back to grid power, and then the girls and I are gonna have some dinner. So anyways, we hope you guys have a great night. Enjoy your dinners, and we'll catch up with you soon. Catch you later.